Hey, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create QR code in Canva. So after watching this video, you are able to do this work perfectly. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going to canva.com. Then you can see this is a design. I choose 1080 pixel into 1080 pixels. So just click on a button. Just click on here, then you can write here QR code. Just click on enter, and here are lots of QR code and design. You can choose any one. So I choose this one. This is very popular. So here you set up your destination, which link you want to redirect. So example of I want to set up this Canva link. This is example only. So just click on somebody. When click this, scan this QR code, they are redirect to canva.com. So you can choose any other link, this doesn't matter. So you are able to do customization, this background color and font color. So just click on generate code. Wow, this already works. So I want to just zoom here. Okay, it's already middle. So just click on share button, then again click on download. Then I recommend you for download PNG or JPG. You are able to do download as a PDF file, so I recommend you for PNG. Somebody when it's scan they on mobile phone, they are redirect to your destination you already set up on here. So this is method you can create QR code using canva.com. So if you want to more video to type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.